Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you found my channel. Today we have a summer essentials or summer favorites video. If you can hear the fireworks in the background, I didn't really pick a good time to film this. It's July 3rd at 10 o'clock at night. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys some of my favorites that I have absolutely been loving summer 2020 and just summer in general. I have some good stuff and we're gonna get through this stuff really quickly because I have a lot. If you guys are new here or you are not subscribed already, make sure to hit that button below and make sure to turn on the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I have been uploading a lot of content lately, so thank you guys for the support. It means the world to me. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First, let's start with summer staples, which that would be sunglasses. So I like a pair of sunglasses that is bigger, covers my face really well. These are really cute. They have the Michael Kors branding on the side. I like that they're like purpley blue. These are just super cute. I also like aviators, and I have a couple different styles and colors of those. So these are super cute. These are Ray-Bans. They just have the gold frame and they're kind of like a little bit of a baby cat eye, which I enjoy. These really fit my small face really well and they're very sturdy. They feel very nice. Ray-Bans are a great style to go for, and gold goes with anything. I also like to get a fun colored aviator pair. So these are just a turquoise blue cat eye sunglass, which I think is super fun, super cute, as you can see. And yeah, I've just been loving really cute sunglasses, which, you know, every summer you need sunglasses. So just find yourself a really nice pair that you can wear all summer and that will go with many summer outfits. This couldn't be a summer favorites or essentials without bathing suits. My favorite bathing suits come from Hollister, literally Hollister. They have the best fitting bathing suits for my body type. They have some amazing high-waisted bathing suits. I love their ribbed styles. This one is from last year, but it's just a red ribbed triangle top. Oh my gosh, it's so flattering on. I have no chest and this makes me look like I do have a bit of a chest. So obviously that's always a plus, but I think that the stars of the show at Hollister are their bottoms. These are high leg, high rise, which is what I like. I don't like the high rise bottoms that look like a diaper. They're like cut off on your hips. These are high leg, so they really do go up and hit you in a really flattering spot. And this goes all the way up to your belly button. So if you have a problem area, you don't want to show your stomach, or you want to be able to eat on the beach. Gosh, I mean, these are just amazing. So this one I absolutely love. I have, oh my gosh, I have so many of them because I can't say enough good things about them. I have the same bottom ribbed in white, and the top that comes with that one I got from last year is like a cute little one shoulder top, which looks so cute. This one is a different material, but still cut the same way. It has white and red trim around the bottom. High leg, high waist, super cute. The top is made the same as the other red top. So cute. Like, these just are the cutest, most well-made, flattering bathing suits on me ever. I have a tiger print, which I really love. I have two coming in the mail soon, a lime green and like a bright blue. So they still have the same styles, even though some of these are from last year. They still have these same styles. They still have the ribbed bikini bottom. So go check those out before they sell out. I have a pink one with a pink bottom somewhere. It's on the floor. These Hollister bathing suits, you have to check them out. Like, I will link some of them below, and I'm telling you, you guys will love them. My next favorite is a favorite that a lot of you probably don't know about. I have mentioned this in a video before. This stuff is gold. This is something you have to try. So this is from Norvell. I actually got it from my local Suntan City. That's where I first discovered it. But it goes well with spray tanning, it goes well on its own, and it goes well with tanning products at home, like mousses and stuff at home. This is a gradual boosting tanner. So this isn't going to give you a really dark color, but what I recommend is to go get a spray tan or to put on your favorite self-tanning mousse and use this to extend the life of the tan and deepen the tan. So what I usually do is I'll get my spray tan, and then about 2 days later, I'll go ahead and put this on. You really can put it on every day, but I just find doing it about 2 days later and then 2 days later after that extends your tan for a whole week, which usually my tan starts fading after about 4 days. With this, I can get it to hold off up to about 7 days or sometimes even 8 days. This has been a lifesaver. It deepens and darkens my tan. It keeps me tan for longer. It's called Boost by Norvell, and again, I highly recommend it. I will link it below. Sometimes you can find it on Amazon, but sometimes you have to just get it off of the Norvell site. Sometimes it's not available on Amazon, but I will link it below. You guys have to check this out if you love self-tanning. The next thing is something that I absolutely love. It's something that I wear year round, not just the summer, and it's my favorite makeup product, and that is bronzer. And I can't stop trying bronzers. I have so many that I could recommend to you guys. Like, the list could go on and on. Right now, currently, I have been using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in the shade Tan, and it's beautiful, especially for summer because this one's a little bit dark for what I would usually use. But for right now, with my spray tan, it's been working really well. I recommend this one. I absolutely love the Marc Jacobs bronzers. This is the Omega bronzer, so this is also another huge pan. This one's lighter than the Charlotte one by a lot. That's the Marc Jacobs. You can build this one up and you can shear this one out. So they're both really, really nice. This Marc Jacobs bronzer is in the color 102 Tantric. I really like this bronzer all year round. Another classic I love is the Fenty bronzers, the Sunstalker bronzers. I have mine in Island Ting, and I love this one as well. This one's probably in the middle of those two. So as you can see, they're all very different. This one's more neutral. This one leads more on the camel side. This is a little bit more warm. Bronzers of all colors, that's my favorite. Also, I have been super impressed with the Natasha Denona Bronze Cheek Face and Glow palette. This isn't a bronzer. This would be like a bronzer topper, a glowy product. This I am obsessed with right here. This is like a bronzer topper. I actually have it on right now. So if you think that my skin and my cheeks look really pretty, this is what's on it. I have the Charlotte bronzer, this whole entire palette actually layered over that. And I kind of used this as my blush. Very nice. Very, very pricey, but very, very nice. My next product is the Laneige lip balm. This one is in the berry scent. This is the lip glowy balm, and I just love this. It's so hydrating. It just gives a little pink tint. It kind of makes your lips look glossy. It makes them plump. This is good for all year round, but I especially think for summer this would be a great one to have. It's just so hydrating on your lips, along with the sleeping mask. So I actually got these two together. They're the same scent. The sleeping mask is super hydrating for when your lips, especially like if your lips get sun or anything like that. This would be great to put in your bag for the beach, for the pool. I highly recommend this duo. I think you guys would love it. My next favorite are some shorts. I've actually talked about these in my June favorites. I just want to mention them really quick again because they really are amazing and you guys have to check them out. These are the American Eagle shorts, and they are the 90s boyfriend shorts. I have 3 pairs at this point now. I have this medium pair with the holes. I have like a lighter pair right here, and then I have a black pair that is in the wash. And these are so nice for anybody out there that wants a short but doesn't want their butt cheeks hanging out. These are very high rise. They are rigid denim, so they're not going to be super stretchy, but I don't really mind that. I really like these a lot. They fit me really, really nice. They hug my curves really well. They're not too short, and they're just really flattering on my hips. They're short without being bootylicious, which is exactly the kind of shorts that I look for. My next favorite are some body scrubs. So these are from Bath & Body Works. I really like their body scrubs for scrubbing off tan. I just have this one in the Waikiki, is that how you say it? The Waikiki Beach Coconut. That one smells super good. This one is passion fruit and banana flower. So I like the tropical summer scents that they have, and also really great for just scrubbing off tan to get on a new fresh tan. Can't go wrong with body scrubs, and Bath & Body Works has them for really affordable prices right now because they are holding their semi-annual sale. So I got these for $5 a piece, And yeah, I stock up on these because I tan year round, and these always help me get my tan off. I also really recommend a moisturizer with a tint. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. This doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it is great at just evening out your skin tone, giving you a little color. It is nice for the beach, for the pool, super easy to throw on and just go. So I highly recommend this for your beach bag for any summer days. You've got to try it. And the last thing, I went through these things so fast, are slides. So slides are such a fun way to wear sandals. They're easy to put on. They're easy to take off at the beach, at the pool, anything like that. I have a couple different styles I would like to show you. So these are Gianni Bini. Obviously, they're super glam and super sparkly, just right up my alley. This is the kind of stuff that I love. These are pink, and they have beautiful, beautiful embellishment, beautiful rhinestones, super cute. I like to wear those to the pool. Another style that's so cute, these are from Express. These are studded, jeweled black. They're actually velvet black slides, which are the cutest little things ever. I'm telling you, I have so many of these. I have some Steve Madden ones with the cute little camo black, silver, and white print, which are so fun. All these are like glittery. I told you, I just love glitter and I love sparkles. These are also from Steve Madden. These are like a lilac color. I like these because they're a little different with the buckles. They almost look like a, what are those things called? You know what I'm talking about. Those sandals that everybody wears. I don't like those, but I like these because they are cute and sparkly and stuff like that. So that will conclude my summer essentials or summer favorites, whatever you want to call it. I know I rushed through these, but I had a lot of stuff that I wanted to share with you guys. Didn't want to bore you, so wanted to keep it moving. And I hope you all didn't hear the fireworks in the background, and if you did, I'm so sorry. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you in some way, gave you some good ideas, gave you some good things to look into, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.